Let's talk about exporting your video to different platforms. So you are done editing your videos, you've done the cutting, you've done adding the music, the audios, the transition effects, the subtitles, the captions, and the likes. So now we actually want to export our video to different platforms. So you come here to export. Before you export, make sure that you select the right aspect ratio. If you want to select a video for social media like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, you can just click on it here. You select this 9 by 16. You see 9 by 16. You can also see the size here. This is a mobile size. So make sure that you select the right aspect ratio depending on the kind of video that you are creating. This video we were creating it for 16 by 9 aspect ratio. After selecting your aspect ratio, you come to the top right corner and then you click on export. So when you click on export, make sure you name your video well before exporting so that you don't mix it with other videos that you have on your computer. So we can name it, let's say exercise video. So exercise video. All right, so you can select the resolution. This is a higher resolution. This resolution will stay sharp on the internet if you select the high resolution. You can select 720p, you can select 480 pixel, you can also select 2K, 4K, 8K, but I recommend 1080p so that it will not consume much data and it will also stay sharp on the internet. So that is the resolution. You can also make some changes here. Format, if you want to change the format, you can also click there to change the format. If you want to export audio alongside with the video, you can select this. But if you don't want the audio of the video to come in a separate form, you can just unselect that. If you need caption, you can select this. If you want to check the copyright of this video before it is exported, you can click here to check the copyright. For the sake of this tutorial, we don't want to check that. So after everything, you click on export and it's going to count. Click on export and it's going to count from 0 to 100%. If you want to cancel, you click on cancel.